Tokenize This Day 2 just finished up with a panel on adding utility to RWAs. You won't want to miss that one. We're going to have some content on that for you later, featuring Falcon X, Superstate, Wisdom Tree, Stellar, and moderated by Leo Schwartz. We also have some amazing fireside chats today, one with Connexus by JP Morgan, one with Michael Sonnenschein, the COO of Securitize, as well as hearing from many others, Broadridge, Zero Hash, as well as many of the large banks and asset managers that are out there tokenizing things today. So with that, we're excited to finish up the conference on day 3 with our workshop that's going to take you through the entire life cycle of tokenization, and we even captured some green room interviews with Dave from Vertalo, with Rob from Stellar, with Ed from Red Swan, and many more. So with that, go check out stm.co for all your latest RWA data, and of course follow us on social media, X, Markets on Chain, and on YouTube, STM TV Official.